Mic check. Good morning, everyone. Today, buy me go hot in water for small gila blomi because cashew blomi wala finish. So, buy me go using the local way for hot in water. Traditional method. Come follow me. And so I left the bedroom, head down the stairs to the kitchen where I planned to get some water to boil. At the kitchen, I found some bottles of water. Since there was no rain for the last 2 to 3 months, we stored our fresh water in empty bottles. Maybe 4 bottles of water is more than enough. I then exited our home to go to the kitchen. Our local kitchen is located outside and separated from the main residential building. This is because the local way of cooking is by open fire, where we burn firewood to make the fire for cooking, and of course to avoid filling the house with smoke. Okay, so me arrive lo kitchen belum fala. Then make hot in water. After settling down, I need to ensure I have everything I need to successfully boil the water. This is where I'm going to build a fire for boiling the water. To begin the task, I prepared some firewood for me to use. These are dried branches from trees around our compound which we have collected to be used for cooking. Next, I need to look for an empty plastic to start the fire. Here, I found an empty packet of rice which I will use to start the fire. As you can see, the fire is almost done. And here is the fire which we will use for boiling the water. Next, we need to fill up this kettle with water. Looking at the size of this kettle, I think the 4 bottles of water is too much, but let's try. After filling up the kettle, I closed the lid and carried it to the fireplace. I carefully placed the kettle onto the fire and we leave it to boil for the next 10 to 15 minutes, but it really depends on the heat. Well, there you go, a job well done. This is how we boil water using open fire. Thank you for watching.